welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and if you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you so much. Okay, well, what I have for you today is a Target dollar spot haul. I walked in there, I found so many wonderful Valentine's items. They had Christmas 70% off. I only picked up one thing at Christmas, and then I have one thing from TJ Maxx to show you. I was going to do like a little DIY for Valentine's today, but I've been taking down Christmas and it is a total disaster in here. It's almost completely done. We've almost finished, but I thought, well, it would be easier on me. Plus, I want you to see these items so that you don't miss them, because they're not going to last long at Target's dollar spot for 2021, okay? But first, let me say thank you so much. I hit 100,000 subscribers. I think it was January the 2nd. And I want to thank you so much for that. It truly, from my heart, I'm so humbled and blessed and just thrilled that you take the time to watch my videos, comment, give them a thumbs up. It's so important for those thumbs up. So there will be a giveaway coming later, probably this week sometime. I want to give you a nice one, so stay tuned for that. So let's hop right in to this Target dollar spot haul for 2021. So many beautiful, wonderful Valentine finds. And then, like I said, I had that one Christmas item that I picked up. Okay, well, no, I had 3. All right, the first thing is, look at this. It's food safe, it's microwave safe, and it's dishwasher safe. Look at that. Wouldn't that be a cute little mixing bowl? They had them in white and red. I wanted to get the red one. It was $5. And I love that little design there. And ignore my nails. The trees have totally gotten to them. But look, it has a little pour spout. But I love this. You could use it as decor. You could make cupcakes, heart-shaped cupcakes with this. Oh, your baking would just even be festive. And you could use this for Christmas if you wanted. Love it, okay? Then one of you told me quite a while ago that they had in Target's dollar spot some more coffee items. Well, I found the one you were talking about. It's coffee o'clock. Is that not adorable? $5. Rinse and dry thoroughly before and after use. Do not submerge in water, okay? And then this little top comes off. You could put anything in that. If you wanted to put your little pods in that, you could. You could put whatever, snacks, treats. But I love this ribbing down through here. And it's rather large. You cannot beat that. I'm loving Target's dollar spot. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then I was hoping I'd find these. Look at these light. They're coming across amber, but it's a light pink. They were $3. Let me open these. Well, they're still coming across amber, but it's a very light blush pink. I love it. Look how beautiful that is. Be great on a tiered tray or just setting in your decor. Look at this. It kind of reminds me in a way of the Joanna Gaines little bottles that she has out. It's kind of a dupe for that in a way. And then here's the larger one. It just looks like a old-time bottle, really. And then this one's more curved. But to get 2 for $3, thank you, Target dollar spot. I'm a mess. What can I say? Okay. Then I found these little heart-shaped bowls. These are dishwasher microwave safe and food safe. And I like that little variation of the light pink, and then it goes into that deeper color. You get 2 of them for $3. And I think they're just really sweet. You could put these in tier trays if you wanted. You could use them as ceramicans to bake like a little chocolate lava cake would be nice in here, or put strawberries in one, whipped cream in the other. And like I said, they are food safe too. But is that not adorable? And you get 2 of these. Love it. They have the cutest stuff at Target's Dollar Spot, okay? Then I wanted to get some little tea towels. Okay, so I got this one. Look at that heart. And this is, it's like a patch, but it almost looks embroidered. And then I love that design down through there. And you get 2 of them. And then here's this pink with that really pretty red little heart to match the big one. And then that little embroidery and these little fringes on the bottom. Love it. They were $5 and they feel pretty thick, so I love these. Okay, I'm either going to put these on my stove or I'm going to put them on my drink station. I don't know which. Whichever one I don't put on the stove, I'll put on the drink station because I got another set. Look at this. You and me, it's a forever kind of thing. And look at this. I love this little red rickrack at the bottom. I think I'm going to put this on the drink station. And then you get this one. Look how pretty that is. So you get these 2. They had several different types, but I like these the best. And these were $5. And then when I was in Target's Dollar Spot, I wanted something to go by our sink in the kitchen that I could put like dish soap in and hand soap. I love the Mrs. Meyer's and I'm just going to pump it into this. But look at this. Let me take it out. They were $5. Okay. Let me take them out of here. They're glass. Okay, this one is here and it says hands on it. So you can put your hand soap on it. And they have this, looks like a matte, well, like a shiny black. It could pull little bronze, but I think it's really black to match this. Okay. And then this one says dishes. I still have some of that Mrs. Meyer's peppermint scent. I could put it in here. I think that would be good. And then for the hands, but look at this. They had them with like a rose gold top, and that's the only 2 that I saw. But is this not adorable? I love it. Okay. Then I saw this. I thought this was just as cute as it can be. And this is kind of cut down just a little bit right here. It's a heart, a cutting board. You could make you a miniature charcuterie board for Valentine's Day on this. You wouldn't have a lot of room, but maybe you don't want a lot of room. You could just put strawberries on one, get you a bowl, put whipped cream, and put different things on here. I think it would be gorgeous. It was $5. And let me see what it says. Food safe, wipe clean with damp cloth. So there you go. Maybe we'll have to make us a Valentine charcuterie board. Any reason for food and I'm in, okay? Then these are 3 things that I got that were in the 70% off for Christmas. And then I'll show you what I got at TJ Maxx. This, I couldn't believe it. I paid $2.50 for this. It was regular $5. I think I paid $2.50. I don't know what I paid really. But look at this. Here's this wood. I know I got a big clearance on it. I think it was $2.50. So maybe when I got it, it was 50% off. Had to have been, okay? But look at that. So cute. And has that little gold around it. So I thought, you know, you could use this now if you wanted, or you could put it back until Christmas. But I loved it. And then they had one that had another, it was thinner than this, and then it had something like this on top, but I didn't pick that one up. Then for our bedroom, you know, I did a cabin theme this year. Look what I found. It's Decor prop pack, okay? And it was, I don't even know how much it was. I found it back there at the clearance, so I don't know. But this just says stay cozy. This has a big snowflake. And then this says ski lodge, sleigh rides, and hot cocoa. So I thought I could either use this in a tiered tray next year or in our bedroom. That is adorable. And like I said, that was in the clearance. And then I found this there too. Like I said, he was just unboxing this when I walked in there. Now, I've had this probably 3 days, so I don't think they probably have them anymore. But look at this. It's got the ski lift chairs, the skis, and the reindeer crossing. Is that not adorable for next year? I love that. Or this could be an ornament on a tree if you wanted. So adorable. Love it. Okay. Then the last thing, I picked this up at TJ Maxx for Valentine's, and I thought it was so cute. They have several variations. It's a sifter, and it says bake with love. Really works. It's from their bake shop. And like I said, they had different colors. It was $4.99. They have different colors and different sayings, but I like pink more than I like red for Valentine's. But this year, I think I'm going to do a combination, okay? And I've got some stuff that I picked up at Hobby Lobby for Valentine's that I'm going to haul probably one day next week because I don't want you to miss it. But just look at this. This is going to be so cute. You could bake with it, or you could put it out as decor. I think I may just do mine as decor, but like I said, it's a flour sifter. So that is everything that I found at Target's Dollar Spot for Valentine's this year, and the one thing that I found at TJ Maxx. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow, Wednesday, for a wonderful Dollar Tree Valentine haul. They are putting out so many wonderful things that I just can't believe it. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. She was taking a siesta. Were you sleeping? Yes, you were sleeping. We got up this morning. It was really weird because we're under a wind advisory. Oh, yes, your face is itching. We were under a wind advisory, and we have 2 big rocker chairs out by the pool. And neither one of us thought that they would go into the pool. Well, when I opened up the shades, one of them had gone into the pool. Thank goodness it was setting upright. And it wasn't upside down. Oh, is your face itching? I'm sorry. And then the other one was close to going in the pool. And the cover to the other one had fallen in the pool with it because it came off. But say, Daddy had to go get that off, didn't he? Yes. Say, and it's cold here today. Say, it was 34 last night. I can't believe it. We had a wonderful cold front. It's been so hot and humid, but we had a great cold front, so it's supposed to last a couple days, so we're enjoying that. So until next time, bye guys.